We're so excited today because we will be making sugar cookies. Today we're going to make them Easter themed. One is going to be my special one, and I'm going to make a 3D egg. Oh. You know what? I'm going to do 2 3D eggs. One is going to be covered with icing and la la la. So today, instead of my sous-chef joining us, I have another grandma sous-chef. Gigi will be helping with us today. But
yes.
Stop talking about boring people. Let's start talking about cookies. Now, we're going to use 2 sticks of butter, or half a cup of butter. Then we're going to use 1 amazing egg today. And we're going to use this baking powder. Then we're also going to use this whole milk. Is it 2%?
No, it's whole milk.
Okay,
it's whole milk.
Whole milk. And we're going to use some vanilla extract.
Yes, indeed.
Then we're going to use some sugar. Then we're going to use some all-purpose flour. Oh, and some salt. Now we're going to get the butter, all this butter, and we're going to pour it in this gigantic bowl. Put it in. 1 cup of sugar.
Put it right.
Now we're going to crack this eggy. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of milk. We're going to take 1 tablespoon. Now we're going to take 2, but don't rush, Gigi. We got to take our sweet time.
Take your sweet time.
Now we're going to take...
And the vanilla. And you need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
Now, if you've seen my method on the mug cake video, I hope you've seen it because we're going to use that method today. Don't blame me. Perfect. Now we're going to mix this baby with a spoon first, then we're going to blend. Go ahead, beat it.
Okay, now just mix that all together.
Well,
yep. Buster's getting a little butter.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's very good.
Gigi, stop it. This is 1 cup.
And how many cups do you need?
2 cups.
2 cups. Okay, so we go to the next cup.
Alright, come on. Flour, don't be bad to me today. Don't be bad to me today. Okay, this is good.
Looks pretty good.
This looks good.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
We need 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
We're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we're going to mix it in. Okay, I want you to stir. Is this awesome cookie cutter. It looks like an evening star to me, which my name means evening star. So I love this awesome cookie cutter. And I also have this adorable bee and whatever this thing is.
Vesper, get out of there.
I'm going to need it.
No, you don't want to knead this dough.
All right, here we go. All right, let's work it just a little bit. Not overwork it, but just
with our hands?
Yeah, just kind of make it into a nice little.
Can you take off my mood ring?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Jewelry off at this part, but we're just doing this for fun.
Vesper, love this. I swear.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
This is now actually sticking.
That's good. That's.
I think this is the hardest part.
Yeah.
say. This dough has had better days.
Back when it was young dough.
Back when it was flour. It was glad when it was
You can
flour.
turn it, too,
Nobody
that
wanted
way.
to
Even
eat
it out.
All right, we'll pop it in the fridge.
Okay.
All right,
so
awesome.
we're gonna pop this.
See you 30 minutes later. All right.
Bye.
So, we're gonna roll this out.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
You might have to smoosh that together a little bit. Oh, it says roll small portions of the dough at a time on a lightly floured board. Whoop, that is sticky. Well, you're gonna have to put more flour down. Oh my gosh. I should put more flour down, I think. It's getting pretty. Oh dear. This is. Yeah, that doesn't work.
Do a tulip.
Okay. Here's a little carrot.
Get off of mine. Get off, get off, get
These
off.
little guys
get
smooshed
off.
back together.
Get smooth. So I need a 3D one, maybe with the thick ones.
So here's your egg cutter.
How am I supposed to make an egg cutter if I want to make a 3D egg?
I thought you were going to take one piece that's shaped like the egg and then take a second piece and make it multi-dimensional. You're wanting
No?
a sculpture of an
Okay.
egg.
Yeah.
That's where that cookie's going to take a long time to cook.
Yeah.
If at all. How long does it say to cook it, Alexa?
Bake at 375 about 8 minutes. So you could bake that, but again, I don't know what's going to happen to it.
If the end of this video ends out bad, please do not try doing this.
Ready?
Yeah,
Okay,
looking
let's
pretty
good.
see these
Oh,
out.
I think they'll.
they're,
I think they're
I
done.
think they're done.
Check the bottom.
I think they're good. I'm putting these in.
Let's see how mine cooks. Yeah. But
Put it in the.
Oh no! Oh my goodness!
Look at that.
That is insane.
that's not an egg in
That looks
Like the thing that ate Manhattan.
gross.
Look how big everything. That's my little egg.
Wow. Oh, that's,
They smell very tasty.
they do, don't
I
they?
have
What
to
is
admit
that?
this is
What is that? That looks
That's-
like a lump of mush.
These are all kind of gross.
Gross.
Yeah, because once they firm up, but
Yeah.
this thing is.
That. Oh.
Never firm up.
Oh my God, that's not.
What
gonna
if we
firm
just
up.
had it
Oh,
and then
yeah.
we'll put it back in the oven to cook?
It's just plop.
It's like making mud pies. These look nice. I mean, these look good.
Yeah.
Look pretty normal. Okay, looks great, Vesper. All right. How many sticks of butter did you guys put in?
2.
2? And how much did the recipe call for?
Half a cup.
Let's see. What does that say, Vesper?
8 teaspoons.
So
Tablespoons.
8 tablespoons is 1/2 cup. We used twice the amount of butter.
Disaster
Gross.
of the sugar cookies.
Disaster of the sugar. Look how buttery these are. Butter. Would you like a butter cookie? Butter cookies, butter balls. The butter balls are back in the oven
I can't believe we
for, let's say,
interview me. Interview me.
hold on. I'll try 5 minutes just to start. 'Cause I already cooked
Interview
part.
me right now.
Okay, I'll interview you. What's up?
So,
Tell me.
hello.
Hello.
Please
Wait,
don't.
what are you doing?
I'm thirsty.
You can't drink a Capri Sun during your interview. Come on, man.
Vesper Loveless can.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think you need to put any toppings even on them. They are perfect. Really tasty. I will admit, I don't actually like sugar cookies.
Well, these aren't sugar cookies. These are butter balls.
These are delicious.